Wel, Rob Page, da chi gyd wedi clywed yr enw do, fod i'r dyn o'r Honda sydd wedi arwain tîm pêl-droed Cymru i gwpan y byd am y tro cynta ers 64 o flynyddoedd. A mae o'n ôl yn yr Honda heddiw cyn hedfan allan i Qatar i atab rei o chwestiynau chi. This interview is going to be a bit different to your usual stuff. Right, to start, we've got a question from Betsan.
Wyt ti'n hoffi roi stwri chwaraewyr?
Well, I've been lucky in the last couple of years that they haven't had too many occasions where they've needed a row.
No.
Things have gone pretty well, so I've been spoilt. There's been no rows needed.
Good, so far.
So far.
You've got a World Cup to come.
Exactly, so far.
Beth yw'r peth gorau am fod y boss?
I don't know, it's not about being the boss. I don't like bossing people about. But to manage your country and to be a part of that group of players is phenomenal.
So you just see yourself as part of the group as opposed to the number one?
I just see myself as part of the group,
yeah.
and I'd just be happy. I happen to be the head coach at the minute that's taken us to a World Cup.
Oes gen ti tips I unrhyw un sydd eisiau bod yn reolwr?
Study, absolutely. You've got to study the game. Anything you want to do and you want to do well in, you have to study. You have to become a student of that. And for me, you never stop learning, you don't. So throw yourself into it. You've got to be passionate about it. You've got to give it a lot of time and study.
Work hard.
Absolutely, yeah. You don't get any rewards without hard work.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Beth sy'n digwydd os oes unrhyw un yn hwyr I ymarfer neu gyfarfod?
Great question. They sing a song.
Is it? Is that it?
That's the forfeit. Of evening meal, whenever the crime is committed, normally the captain, Gareth Bale, will tap the glass and you get everybody's attention and the person, they know they're guilty. And they have to get up and give a song.
Yeah, I wouldn't like that.
No.
I wouldn't like that. Right, next question then.
Oes unrhyw beth yn barw sy'n wedi digwydd I ti fel chwaraewr neu reolwr?
No, I don't think it has.
You haven't done a Louis van Gaal and fell on your back on the sideline?
No, I haven't. I've not sat on the wrong bench. I've seen a couple of managers do that. I've made a conscious effort not to. I've seen some mistakes made in the past and I've tried to learn from their mistakes.
Touch wood.
Touch wood. Touch wood.
Be fydda ti'n gwneud I amnacio rhwng y gemau yn Qatar?
Head tennis. So
okay.
It's with the football again and a couple of the other staff, and it's quite competitive. So we get away from the tactical side of it. We get away from working with the players. It's just a bit of staff time.
You any good?
Well, I keep beating the staff, the physio. He's not happy because I keep winning every time. He won't be happy I've said that.
Pwy yw'r boes drwg y garfan?
Who are they? Johnny Williams.
Is he?
He's a character.
Why?
Johnny Williams is a character. He's up to mischief. He's always got that smile on his face that you know he's up to no good.
Yeah.
But you need characters like that in your changing room.
He keeps trying his toes down, doesn't he?
He keeps on his toes, absolutely.
Good.
Pa chwarae'r Cymru sy'n fwy o tebygol I fod yn reolwr?
I can see Gareth becoming a manager. He's a captain, he leads by example, he knows the game inside out. And Ben Davies. Yeah. Ben Davies at Tottenham, his knowledge of football and his understanding is very good, so Ben Davies as well.
Oh, cool.
Beth sy'n oregano ti? Tracksuit neu suit?
Tracksuit all day long.
Is it?
Tracksuit, absolutely. I like to be one of the players. I'm not one to stand there and be in a suit.
But what if, I say when Wales get to the final, will that be a suit-worthy occasion?
No, never change. Never change. Tracksuit.
Solid.
Tracksuit.
Nice, I like it.
Rydw I hefyd yn mynd I gyda beth yw 3 peth pwysicaf yn dy ges ti?
Factor 50 sun cream. It's red hot.
It is, isn't it?
I burn straight away. I've not got the skin colouring to go brown. So it'll be Factor 50 sun cream.
Anything else?
Chocolate. I like chocolate. I like chocolate. I do like chocolate. And when we're on camp, the dietitians take charge and there's no crisps or chocolate, so I have to sneak my own chocolate.
Nice. Good answer.
Wyt ti'n mynd yn nervous mewn cyfweliadau?
No, it's quite relaxed because I think in anything you do, when you're talking about something that you know inside out and you're comfortable about talking about, then it's not a stressful environment. So no, I quite enjoy it.
Ydy'r stafell newid yn joio ar ôl gêm?
It smells nice because they've all got different aftershaves.
Yeah, I guess.
So it smells all right. At first, probably not, with the smelly socks coming off after the games. But no, the minute they get out of the shower, it's like something you've never seen before.
With all the design.
With all the design and aftershaves, and it's something to behold.
Oedd yn anodd dewis carfan Cwpan y Byd Cymru?
Oh yeah, it was. That's the hardest part about the job. That's the only part I've not enjoyed in this last few months, because you know you're going to have to disappoint people. Yeah. And they're all a good group. I could pick, if I could take 35 players with me, I absolutely would, because they're all great and they all deserve to be a part of it. So that's been the hardest part for me, is disappointing people and you know, you have to break their hearts. We've all worked so hard to get to a World Cup, and we get there and they can't be a part of it. That's part of the game, unfortunately.
One more question. Can I have a selfie?
Absolutely.
Yes! Right then. Here we go.
If you turn it round.
Cracking. Thanks very much, Rob.
Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr iawn chdi.